Hello everyone, today I'm going to present you my newest invention. So you may already have experienced this problem. When you have a washing machine and after you remove all the clothes, there's usually a little bit of moisture left inside the machine. And especially here in this O-ring, the water keeps inside, and the problem is when you now close the door and leave it closed for a longer time, you have the problem it starts to smell. So that's why I came up with an idea. Basically I had this idea when I was using this thing here next to my washing machine. So I put this in here and it keeps the washing machine open. But as this is not very practical and it doesn't look very good, I had the idea, why not create a prototype with a 3D printer? So basically I took the hook and added something to mount it on the door, and now when you're done washing your clothes, you can just put this in here and your door stays perfectly open.